Looking for ways to reduce your plastic footprint and embrace sustainable gardening? Building a wooden planter box is a fantastic solution. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Drilling Nerd. James here, ready to get our hands dirty and transform your outdoor space into a flourishing paradise. This project is great for beginners because it mostly involves drilling, a skill you have already mastered. Thanks to this awesome channel, of course. Wink. Material. Here's what you will need. Wood planks, same size and thickness. Pine is a great choice for beginners. Wood glue. Drill with various drill bits. Wood bit, countersink bit. Screws length should slightly exceed the thickness of two wood planks. Sandpaper, different grades for rough and fine sanding. Stain paint or varnish for a finishing touch. Ruler pencil. Safety first. Before we start, a quick safety reminder. Always wear safety glasses when drilling to protect your eyes from flying wood chips. Step 1. Design your box. Decide on the size of your box. Draw a simple diagram on paper to see the final product. How tall and wide do you want it? Will it have a lid? This is your chance to personalize it. Pro tip. If you are completely new, consider starting with a square box. It's easier to cut straight lines for square sides. Step 2. Cutting the wood. Grab your ruler and pencil. Mark the wood planks how you want your box to look. Time to use that saw, but remember safety glasses first. We don't want any sawdust surprises. Fun fact. Did you know the Egyptians were some of the earliest users of woodworking tools? They used saws made from flint and animal teeth. Step 3. Drilling pilot holes. Time to drill before screwing things together. Drill tiny holes first. These holes help guide the screws and stop the wood from cracking, which is a common mistake for beginners. Step 4. Assembly time. Apply wood glue to the connecting edges of your wood pieces. Then line them up carefully and secure them with screws using your trusty drill. Warning, don't tighten the screws too much. You can crack the wood, tighten them until snug. Step 5. Sanding away imperfections. No project is complete without a good sanding session. Use coarse sandpaper to smooth out any rough edges and imperfections. Then follow up with finer grit sandpaper for a polished finish. Step 6. Finishing touches. Time to get creative. Paint, stain, or varnish your box to make it your own. Let your imagination run wild. There you have it, a beautiful, useful wooden box built with your very own drilling skills. Don't forget to share photos of your amazing creations on social media and tag us at Drilling Nerd.